Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Cocinare Gooseneck Electric Kettle with temperature control. A perfect blend of retro vintage style and modern functionality. This 1200W powerhouse boasts a rapid boil time of just 140 seconds, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee or tea in no time. Its meticulously designed S-shaped spout ensures optimized pouring, offering a controlled and vertical pour ideal for a wide range of brewing techniques. With one-touch precision temperature adjustment, you can achieve the perfect flavor in every cup, while the real-time temperature monitoring on the LCD display keeps you informed. The kettle also features a convenient keep warm function, maintaining your desired water temperature for up to 60 minutes. Crafted from 100% BPA-free, food-grade 304 stainless steel, this kettle ensures safe and healthy drinking water. Elevate your brewing experience with the Cocinare Gooseneck Electric Kettle, where style meets precision and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.